Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Smita Raikar and I'm so excited that we are doing this video. Since I started my channel, I already started, sharing the content over the SAP Analytics Cloud Learning series. Uh, I thought I should do a little, get to know me so you can learn about me, who I am, and what's this channel all about. So let's get started. So as you already know, my name is Smita Raikar. I come from India. Currently, I'm located in Germany. Yes, currently I'm employed. I'm working in the automobile industry, and I was born and brought up in India. Uh, I completed my bachelor's in computer science in 2013 from India. After completing my degree, I started, working uh, in IT. I have 12 years of experience. I started working from July 2013. And initially, I started my career with SAP Business Objects. Then from SAP Business Objects, then SAP Business Warehouse, and then SAP Analytics Cloud. So in last 12 years, I have been working in data and analytics field only. Previously, I have worked in TCS, Accenture, and PwC India. Uh, so if you look at my skill set, it is more revolved around data and analytics only. SAP Business Objects, then SAP Analytics Cloud, both BI and planning. SAP BW for HANA, then Power BI and Tableau. So my goal is I want to, keep learning in this data and analytics space. Regarding my professional certifications, so I'm SAP Certified Associate in SAP Analytics Cloud. I'm also Tableau Desktop Certified. So now for next year or this year, I'm planning to, do some advanced certifications in SAC. Like what is the inspiration behind creating this channel is I wanted to create a learning space related to you can say BI topic. I have always been and I am passionate about my job, and that's what inspired me to start this channel. I know you might be wondering, like there are multiple other channels who have learning series related to SAC. Even SAP has their, you can say, official, learning space where they are releasing videos on the YouTube. So, but those are the videos where you will learn, how to create the things or, the basic things. But I wanted to create a learning space where I would be, you can say, using the real time, business scenarios, how exactly the tool is used in the live projects, in the business use cases. So just wanted to, you can say, give access how things work in real time, so you will understand like how this tool is used rather than you will just follow some steps and just learn okay how this looks like or how I can do. So this was my intention to give more real time scenarios in within the organizations or within the projects, how these use cases are built. So that was my intention. And if you are interested in analytics, and then you are in a right place, because every week I will share new tutorials to help you learn and grow in those skills. Currently, I'm focusing on only SAP Analytics Cloud Learning series, but eventually I will introduce Power BI series and Tableau and other skill series. Don't forget to, hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. Thank you so much and stay tuned for, more content. and more videos. Thank you so much.